Well, sige, sir. We will now show you the result of the test after ilang minutes. How many minutes left?
25.
25 minutes. Now it's boiling. Kumpara Jeff sa iba. No, sorry. And we will show you this much of fuel. You can see on the below. This is the amount of fuel wood that would have been used if used in another conventional kind of stove. And to the right, the amount of pea shells that we used instead for this boil. Now we will show you again how strong the fire is still going. There. It is still going strong, and I think we only spent about half of the pea shells that we placed earlier. And it is a very clean board. Yan. So Jeff, anong masasabi na? What can you say about our test?
Maraming tira-sir na pili shell tsaka kahoy. Kumpara doon sa kahoy na natural, siguro ubos na yan, hindi pa sir nakulo.
Yan. So he was saying we only spent a few of the pili shells that we loaded in compared to the wood that would have been all spent to boil this much. Still going strong, and now we are ready to call everyone for our merienda. Okay.